What's up everyone, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and these are the reasons to buy Redmi Note 5 Pro. The first reason will obviously be the display. This phone packs a 5.99-inch display with Full HD Plus resolution in 18:9 aspect ratio, covered by a 2.5D curved glass with rounded corners. That's definitely a lot of things to say about a single display, and it's definitely worth it. Display is huge, sunlight legibility and viewing angles are great. Color reproduction is good. Well, yes, display isn't all that fantastic, but it's pretty good. The next reason to buy this phone would be the dual camera setup that offers us a portrait mode for the rear cameras. Just like the Mi A1, this phone comes with a dual camera setup on the rear and offers us portrait mode. Edge detection and background blur effect are really good, just like the Mi A1. Here are some sample shots. Next reason to buy this phone would be the front-facing camera. Unlike any other Redmi phone launched earlier, this phone sports a 20 megapixel camera with Sony IMX376 sensor with f2.2 aperture along with a dedicated soft LED flash, and it does take some great selfies. Even in low light conditions, you get some pretty decent shots, and it even supports auto HDR for the front facing camera. The next reason to buy this phone would be the electronic image stabilization. Once again, unlike any other Xiaomi phone under 20,000 rupees price segment, this phone comes with electronic image stabilization for video recording using the front and rear cameras. Here's the sample footage. Once again, this is the first from Xiaomi, and there are very few phones that offer electronic image stabilization for video recording in this price segment. Next reason to buy this phone would be the performance. This phone packs a Snapdragon 636 processor with custom Cryo 260 cores. It is 59% faster than the Snapdragon 625 seen in the Redmi Note 5 and the Redmi Note 4. It also sports Adreno 509 GPU, which is better than Adreno 506 seen in the Snapdragon 625 processor and delivers you better visuals in gaming. Now the next reason to buy this phone would be the battery life. Processor on this phone is built using the 14nm architecture, which makes it very power efficient. And as if that was not sufficient, this phone even comes with a 4000 mAh battery and gives us great battery life. On normal usage, you should get around 8 to 10 hours of screen on time, and no matter what you do or how you use your phone, it will definitely last you a day, which is something we rarely see these days. Next reason to buy this phone would be for fast charging. This phone supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 2.0, but sadly, it comes with a normal 10W power adapter in the box. So if you can spend a little and get a quick charger, you can charge your phone much faster than other phones. Once again, it would have been great to get a free quick charger, but having quick charge support is still a good thing. By the way guys, if you're looking to buy a quick charger, try to get the quick charger from Xiaomi. And if you are going for the third-party vendors, do check out the reviews. I'll try to leave some links in the description, do check them out. Now the final reason to buy this phone would be the value for money. For just 14,000 rupees, we are getting an impressive 5.99-inch full vision display with a brand new Snapdragon 636 processor, which is currently the most powerful processor among the newly launched phones. It also comes with pretty good cameras on the front and rear, along with portrait mode for selfies and rear cameras, which actually work very well. It also has fast charging, regular software updates, and good customer support if you visit the official Xiaomi service center. Now that's not all. We have other goodies like a dedicated IR blaster, a super fast fingerprint scanner. It even supports face unlock, just like the iPhone X. It also has Bluetooth 5.0 and a lot of cool software features with extensive customization options. So guys, those were all the goodies that you get with the Redmi Note 5 Pro. So what's your reason to buy this phone or not buy this phone? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter, and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.